Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Spotify login problem with phone number. So guys, if you have login your Spotify with phone number and facing this type of issue, that is check your phone number, you can also try with a different number. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So guys, first of all you need to check your number is correct or not. So guys, if not correct, then guys you need to enter your correct number, and guys if you have any kind of error, then guys you need to correct in your phone number. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to change your phone number, because as you can see it says also you need to try with a different number. So guys, by entering different number, then guys you will be able to sign in your Spotify app smoothly. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is bug or any update problem on your Spotify app or network problem. So guys, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings here, and guys make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys you need to scroll it down, find here app management. You need to click on app list, and guys here you need to find or search Spotify app. After searching your Spotify, then guys you need to click on storage and cache, you need to clear cache. And guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys, all the bugs will be fixed by clearing cache. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys maybe there is network problem. So guys you need to reset your network settings by follow my steps. As you can see here, simply you need to reset your network settings, Wi-Fi settings and network settings. And guys, the last option is you need to update your app. Maybe there is app update problem. So guys you need to open your Play Store, you need to search your Spotify, and guys you need to update your app, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.